Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam blank icon issue on your taskbar. This is a common problem where Steam appears on your taskbar but shows up as a blank or missing icon instead of the normal Steam logo. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the search bar located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, go ahead and type Task Manager into the search field. This will bring up the Task Manager application, which is a built-in Windows tool that lets you view and manage all running processes on your computer. Click on the Task Manager app when it appears in the search results. This will open the Task Manager window where you can see all the programs and processes currently running on your system. Now scroll through the list of processes until you find Steam Client Web Helper. Once you've located it, right-click on it and select End Task from the menu. This terminates the process, which often helps refresh Steam's taskbar icon. Next, check if you can see Steam Client Bootstrapper in the list of processes. If it's there, go ahead and right-click on it and select End Task as well. After you end these tasks, Steam will automatically relaunch itself, and in most cases this should fix the blank icon issue on your taskbar. However, if the problem persists and the icon is still blank, don't worry. Let's try another method. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Show Hidden Icons. This is the small upward-facing arrow in your system tray. Once you click it, you'll see additional icons that are hidden from view. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam from the menu. This completely closes Steam rather than just minimizing it. After exiting, relaunch Steam normally and check if the icon appears correctly. If you're still experiencing the blank icon issue, try running Steam with administrator privileges. Locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu, right-click on it and select Run as administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions, which can sometimes resolve display issues with the taskbar icon. Lastly, if none of the previous methods worked, there's one more solution to try. Right-click on the Steam icon on your taskbar and select Unpin. This removes Steam from your taskbar completely. Then, go to your Steam shortcut again, right-click on it, and this time select Pin to Taskbar. This creates a fresh pin, which often resolves any corrupted icon cache issues that might be causing the blank icon to appear. And that's it! You've successfully fixed the Steam blank icon on your taskbar using one of these methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.